Forgotten username recovery failed on Zopa Invest Fix. If you've been trying to recover your Zopa Invest username and the process keeps failing, don't worry, this is one of the most common issues investors face after the platform updated its login system. But here's the surprising truth: in most cases your username hasn't disappeared. You just don't need it anymore. Zopa has moved to a modern, email-based login system. That means your email address now acts as both your username and your identifier. So, when you try to recover a forgotten username, the system may fail because it's no longer required. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Go to the Zopa login page and try signing in with your registered email instead of a username. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset link that Zopa sends to your inbox. Step 2. If you don't receive an email, check your spam or junk folder. These automated messages sometimes get filtered out. Step 3. Search your inbox for older emails from Zopa Invest. You'll find registration confirmations, investment summaries, or updates. Those messages confirm which email address is linked to your account. Step 4. If you still can't log in, contact Zopa customer support. Provide your full name, registered email, and if possible details about your investments. Their support team can manually locate your profile and restore access. Most people get this wrong by assuming the recovery system is broken or that their account was deleted. But that's not the case. It's simply a shift in how Zopa manages secure logins. So the fix isn't about finding a lost username. It's about confirming your registered email and resetting your access from there. Once you've done that, you'll be able to log in and see your investments just as before. Your account and data are safe. You just need to use the updated login method. Follow these steps and you'll be back on Zopa Invest in minutes.